Cornbread. Simple ingredients, amazing taste. You want cornbread? It's easy. Simple ingredients, big flavors. Everyone loves cornbread. Let's get started. This recipe is foolproof. No more dry cornbread. We want moist. We want delicious. You can do this. Get your ingredients ready. We need 1 cup cornmeal, the heart of our cornbread, 1 cup all-purpose flour for structure, ½ cup sugar for sweetness and tenderness, 1 teaspoon baking powder, the magic ingredient for fluffiness, ½ teaspoon baking soda, extra help for rising high, 1/4 teaspoon salt to balance the sweetness. 1 cup milk adds moisture and richness. 1 large egg binds everything together, and 1/4 cup melted unsalted butter for that beautiful golden crust and rich flavor. Got everything? Let's bake. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Grease a baking pan. Now let's mix. In a large bowl, combine dry ingredients: cornmeal, flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Whisk it good. In another bowl, whisk the wet ingredients: milk, egg, and melted butter. Combine wet and dry. Don't overmix. Pour batter into the prepared pan. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Golden brown and a toothpick comes out clean. Want fluffy cornbread? Don't overmix. Overmixing makes it tough. Make sure your baking powder is fresh. Old baking powder means flat cornbread. Nobody wants that. Let the cornbread cool slightly before cutting. Warm cornbread crumbles easily. Patience. Serve warm with butter, honey, or chili. Delicious, you did it.